Good afternoon, boys. Already finished example 6.1 to 6.16. Next I will go for example 6.17. Last example sum. So given P and Q they given. Then you want to prove that P square Q square bracket P square plus Q square plus 3 equal to 1. You want to prove that. Clear? Okay. So given this one you want to prove that equal to 1. Okay. So take and write P square Q square P square plus Q square plus 3. Right? This one equal to you want to prove that 1. Okay. Now take the term multiply inside. Okay. We can multiply inside. We can get the terms P power 4 Q square. And the next here P square Q power 4. And then plus 3 P square Q square. Okay. Take the terms multiply inside. And then take and substitute P and Q here. Right? First one P power 4. So here P is cos square theta by sin theta. This is P here power 4. So we can take P power 4 and the next Q square. Right? Q is equal to sin square theta by cos theta the whole square. Q square and then plus P square. So P is cos square theta by sin theta. Right? That is square P square. And the next Q power 4. Q is sin square theta by cos theta the whole power 4. Q power 4 plus 3 P square and Q square. Right? Here P is cos square theta by sin theta the whole square and Q square is sin square theta by cos theta the whole square. Okay. Now whole power 4 take 4 and multiply inside. We can get cos 4 2s are 8 theta by here sin 4 theta. And then into here 2 2s are 4. So we can get sin power 4 theta by here cos square theta. Clear? And then same one here plus cos power 4 theta by sin square theta into sin power 4 2s are 8. So sin 8 theta by cos 4 theta plus 3 cos square here square. So we can get cos power 4 theta by sin square theta and then here into sin power 4 theta by cos square theta. Okay, vada? So take 4 multiply inside. So we can get 2 4s are 8. Here sin power 4 theta. Here 2 2s are 4 sin power 4 cos square theta. And then here square take and multiply inside cos 4 and sin square. Same one here 2 4s are 8 and then cos power 4 theta and here 2 2s are 4 sin square. Everything we can multiply and write here. Okay. Now cancel the terms. Sin 4 we can cancel. And then here cos square, here cos 8. So we can cancel means we can get cos power 6 theta because same powers, same base. You want to subtract the powers. So 8 minus 2 we can get cos 6 theta. Same one here cos power 4 theta, cos power 4 theta we can cancel. Here sin 8 theta you have sin 8 theta. Here sin square theta. Here sin power 8 theta. Okay. So sin power 8 theta. So we can cancel means we can get sin power 6 theta. Clear? And then here power 4 here square. we can cancel means we can get 3 sin square theta, 4 minus 2 we can get 2 da, and then same also here we can cancel, we can get cos square theta. Clear da, cancelling, right da, sin 4 same da, so I can cancel here cos power 8 theta, here cos square theta da, so we can here 8, here you have 2 da, so 8 minus 2 we can get 6 theta, so cos power 6 theta plus same here cos power 4 we can cancel the sin power 8 theta and here sin square theta. Okay, so here also 8 minus 2 we can get sin 6 theta plus 3 sin square theta and cos square theta. Here we can cancel noda, so sin square, here sin power 4 theta, so we can cancel means 4 minus 2 2 da, and then cos power 4, here cos square da, we can cancel cos square theta da. Okay, next here power 6 theta da, so I can change into formula da, so we can take cos square theta the whole cube plus sin square theta the whole cube plus 3 sin square theta and cos square theta. So here powers are 6 da, so power 6 does not have any formulas, so I can change into right square and cube da. So 6 theta I can change to 2 3s are 6, like that we can change. So cos square theta whole cube plus sin square theta whole cube plus 3 sin square and cos square theta. Clear da? So here we have used the formula, that is a cube plus b cube, right? As this one a da and this one b, so we can take a cube plus b cube. Formula you know da, a cube plus b cube formula, a plus b the whole cube, a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So formula a cube plus b cube is equal to formula a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Clear da? So take and apply the formula. Here a is right, this one a da and this one b, right? So a is equal to cos square and b is equal to sin square. Apply the formula here. Right, apply the formula a cube, right? A cube plus b cube, right? Here a is cos square theta and b is sin square theta. Apply da, so we can get cos square theta plus sin square theta the whole cube. So a plus b the whole cube minus 3, a is equal to cos square da, so cos square theta, and b is equal to sin square theta. So 3ab plus into a plus b da, here a is cos square theta plus b is sin square theta, right? So this is the a cube plus b cube formula, a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, right? So a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, and then remaining term this one da, so plus 3 sin square theta cos square theta, that is this given term da, right? Now next here you know the formula cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. You know the formula da? Okay, now take and substitute here da. So we can get 1 cube minus 3 cos square theta and sin square theta. Here cos square theta plus sin square theta we can get 1, and then plus 3 sin square theta cos square theta, right? So now both of them here minus and here plus the same terms, so we can cancel. Next to 1 cube we can get answer 1. Clear da? Okay, so we can use the formula here a cube plus b cube formula, this one, right? A plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, right? Understand this formula, and then substitute everyone, we get the answer. Okay, next all exam sums over. Next I will go for exercise exercise 6.1. First sum da. Okay, given, prove that the following identities. Given cot theta plus tan theta, you want to prove that secant theta and cosecant theta you want to prove, right? So here cot theta formula cos theta by sin theta and tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Okay, this is the formula for using here. So take and substitute here. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta plus tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Okay, now the denominators are different, so take cross multiple. So we can take cross multiple, we can get cos square theta plus sin square theta by sin theta into cos theta. Okay, so you know the formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You know the formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So the numerator we can change to 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Okay, so now we can split the terms. So 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. Right? Now you know the formula, 1 by sin theta is equal to cosecant theta and 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta. Right? So now take and substitute here. So 1 by sin theta is equal to cosecant theta and 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta. So what is the result you want to prove? That secant theta and cosecant theta. Okay, so given cot theta and tan theta, so cot theta formula and sin theta formula, denominators are different. You want to take the cross multiple and then substitute the formula for sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Next, separate the terms and 1 by sin theta is equal to cosecant theta and 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta. Okay, we can substitute, means we can get the result. Okay, next first sum, second one. First sum, second one, they given tan power 4 theta plus secant square, tan square theta. Take these two, you want to prove that secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta you want to prove. Right? So now what they given, tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta they given. Right? In this term, here's tan power 4, here tan square. So we can take tan square theta, I will take common. Tan square theta I will take common. Right? Then here you have tan power 4 theta, you have tan square, you can take common. Then balance term is we can get tan square theta. Right? Here we can take the tan square, we can take common. Then here you have only 1. Because you take the tan square term, you can take common. Okay, next we can get 1. Clear this term? Okay, next you know the formula, tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to what? Secant square theta. Okay, so apply here. So we can get tan square theta into tan square theta plus 1. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. So we can get secant square theta. Clear this one? Okay, next I need only tan square theta. Right? Here tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. Next we can get tan square theta, you can find. Then tan square theta is equal to, we can get secant square theta plus 1, come this side, minus 1. So tan square theta is equal to, what is the formula? Secant square theta minus 1. Right? Now take and substitute tan square theta here. So tan square is secant square theta minus 1. So tan square formula. Okay, tan square is equal to secant square minus 1. We can use the formula. Right? And then here into secant square theta. Okay, now take the secant square theta, multiple inside. So we can get multiple. We can get secant power 4 theta. Here square. So we can get 2 2s are 4. Secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. This only what I want to prove. Right? Secant power 4 minus secant square theta. Same term only know. So it is proved. Right? So first step tan power 4 and tan square, which is you can common. Tan square you can take common. Next tan square you can take common. We can get tan square theta plus 1. So formula tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square. So applying the formula. And the next tan square is equal to what is the formula? Secant square minus 1. So apply the formula and take the multiple, we can get the result. Okay. So first 1 and 2 is over. Exercise 6.1 first sum and second sum over. Next I will go for second sum. Okay. Given 1 minus tan square theta by cot square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. Right? So here you want to prove that tan square theta. Okay. So that cot theta you want to change into tan formula because you want to prove that tan. So here I can use the formula for cot theta is equal to 1 by tan, because you want to, what is the result you have here? Tan theta only. So that only I can take cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Okay, take and substitute here. So given 1 minus tan square theta by cot square theta minus 1, this is the given. Right? Now here cot theta is equal to 1 by tan. Now substitute here. So 1 minus tan square theta by cot theta is equal to 1 by tan. So here square having, so I can take 1 by tan square theta minus 1. Clear this step down. Okay, here denominator is tan square. Here denominator is 1. So both the denominators are different. Take cross multiple. So next we can get 1 minus tan square theta by, take cross multiple, we can get 1 minus tan square theta by tan square theta. Okay. Next this is divided. The divide term, this divide you want to change to multiple. So 1 minus tan square theta. So this divide, this is divider, this divide you want to change to multiple and take the reciprocal. We can get tan square theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, now both the terms are same. So I can cancel. Next we get the result tan square theta. Okay, that only I want to prove that. Right? 1 minus tan square theta by cot square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square. Clear? Okay, next I will go for second sum. Second one. So given cos theta by 1 plus sin theta, you want to prove that secant theta minus tan theta. Okay. So example sum I will explain. Here denominator is 2 terms. Denominator is what? How many terms? 2 terms. So in these 2 terms they given means you want to take the conjugate. You want to take the conjugate for the denominator 1 plus sin theta. Right? So take the conjugate, multiple the numerator and denominator. Right? So first find the conjugate of this one. Take the term and multiple the numerator and denominator. Okay. Now the conjugate of 1 plus sin theta is 1 minus sin theta. That is conjugate of 1 plus sin theta is equal to, what is that? 1 minus sin theta. So take this conjugate, multiple the numerator and denominator. So multiple the numerator and denominator. So 1 minus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. Okay. So like that they given some, the denominators having 2 terms means the denominator you have 2 terms means you want to find the conjugate. So conjugate of 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin theta. So take this conjugate, multiple the numerator and denominator. Okay. Next we can get cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. This is numerator, and the denominator we can apply the formula a plus b and a minus b. So denominator we can apply the formula a plus b into a minus b. Formula you know, a square minus b square. Clear da? So now substitute the formula here. A is equal to here 1 square minus B is equal to sine square theta. Okay. Next formula for 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta is equal to what is the formula? Cos square theta. So apply the formula here. So we can get cos theta into 1 minus sine theta by 1 minus sine square theta. We can change to cos square theta. Okay. Next we can cancel cos theta here. Cos square theta we can cancel. 1 times it will come. So next 1 minus sine theta by cos theta. Okay. Next this cos term is common for 1 and sine theta. So separate the terms. 1 by cos theta minus sine theta by cos theta. 1 by cos theta minus sine theta by cos theta. So formula 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta and sine theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Okay. So take and substitute. So you can get secant theta minus tan theta. So this one only want to prove. Okay, Vada? Clear? Thank you, boys.